The Alfa Romeo Stelvio has always embodied the soul of a sports car in an SUV's body. For 2025, prepare for a metamorphosis. Italian passion intensified, legendary performance amplified, cutting-edge technology woven into its very fiber. Exterior, unmistakable evolution. The Stelvio's iconic form evolves with purpose. Expect a redesigned front fascia, emphasizing the Scudetto grille, and introducing razor-thin adaptive LED headlights. Aerodynamically sculpted side intakes enhance both engine cooling and visual aggression. The potent Quadrifoglio edition flaunts carbon fiber accents, a lowered stance, and unique forged alloy wheels, hinting at its track-ready pedigree. Interior, crafted for the senses. Step inside the 2025 Stelvio, a sanctuary where Italian craftsmanship meets a relentless driver focus. Hand-stitched leather or Alcantara sport seats envelop you. The redesigned digital instrument cluster displays vital data with vibrant clarity. Discreet yet customizable ambient lighting creates the perfect mood, from calming to exhilarating. Performance, where passion meets power. Under the hood, the Stelvio's DNA stirs. Choose from a spectrum of turbocharged gasoline engines, balanced for everyday refinement and heart-pounding response. The Stelvio's meticulously tuned chassis and available key for all-wheel drive system ensure unerring agility. For those craving pure adrenaline, the Quadrifoglio variant boasts a race-bred engine, adaptive dampers, and a soundtrack that fuels your soul. Technology that enhances, never distracts. The 2025 Stelvio integrates technology as your co-pilot. A panoramic heads-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, your eyes always on the road. Advanced driver assist systems offer subtle guidance, from adaptive cruise control with lane centering to automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance confidence without diminishing the thrill of driving, the connected heart of your world. The Stelvio's infotainment system is your digital oasis. Seamless smartphone integration places calls, music, and navigation at your fingertips, controlled by intuitive voice commands. Cloud-based connectivity ensures over-the-air updates, while the system learns your routines, anticipating your needs with supple intelligence. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, an SUV born on racetracks and perfected on twisting mountain roads. A declaration that driving isn't just about the destination, it's about igniting the journey. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, an SUV where passion becomes performance. Did you feel that rush of adrenaline? Want to explore more legendary vehicles and get the latest automotive insights? Then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and never miss a heartbeat of automotive excitement.